Namecheap vs Godaddy. Don't choose before comparing. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this video, we'll delve into a comparison between two leading domain registration and hosting providers, which is Namecheap and Godaddy. And if you're considering setting up your online presence or managing your domains and hosting, to create an account on Namecheap and Godaddy, you can also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know Domain, it is accredited domain name registrar and web hosting company based in Phoenix, Arizona, in which it offers domain name services including domain registration, transfers, and renewal, as well as domain privacy protection and other value-added services. On the other hand, Godaddy is a web hosting and domain registration company that provides a range of services to help entrepreneurs and businesses grow online. And Godaddy offers a variety of hosting options including shared hosting, WordPress hosting, e-commerce hosting, and many more. And now that we know the overview of both platform Namecheap and Godaddy, we can now proceed by knowing other details of those platforms. So let's proceed by knowing the pros and cons of both platforms, starting to Namecheap. The pros or advantages of using Namecheap is that in terms of pricing, Namecheap often provides affordable options for domain registration and hosting services compared to Godaddy. And in terms of user-friendly interface, navigating through Namecheap's website is intuitive and straightforward, making it easy for users to manage their domains and hosting. It also offers free WHOIS privacy protection. With Namecheap, you receive free WHOIS privacy protection when registering a domain, ensuring your personal information remains private. And it also offers good customer support. Namecheap offers 24/7 customer support through chat and ticketing system. Their support staff is generally knowledgeable and responsive. However, the cons of using Namecheap is that, in terms of services, when compared to Godaddy, the range of additional services provided by Namecheap, such as website builder and marketing tools, may be more limited. And it also offers lesser brand recognition. For some users, the level of brand recognition associated with Namecheap might not as be high as Godaddy, which could be a consideration. And also in terms of deals, in comparison to Godaddy, Namecheap may offer fewer promotional deals and discounts. Now moving on to pros and cons of using Godaddy, starting to its pros in terms of range of services. Godaddy offers a suite of services including domain registration, web hosting, website building tools, email hosting, and many more. They also provide customer support around the clock through phone, live chat, and email. Additionally, they have a knowledge base and a community forums to assist their customers. And one of the advantages of Godaddy is their deals, allowing users to potentially save money. They also offer an integrated platform that combines domain management and hosting services, providing convenience for those who prefer having everything in one place. However, the cons of using Godaddy is that Godaddy is known for its upselling tactics and hidden fees, which can lead to charges for users. While they do offer customer support, there have been reviews regarding the quality of assistance provided. Some users have reported wait times and encounters with knowledgeable representatives. Another point to note is that Godaddy charges a fee for WHOIS privacy protection, which might increase the cost of domain registration. Additionally, some users find their website interface cluttered and overwhelming, especially if they are new to this field. Now moving on to features comparison, starting to Namecheap. It offers domain registration and management, since Namecheap provides a range of domain extensions, ensuring your privacy with WHOIS protection, and web hosting and cloud services, in which Namecheap offers hosting plans for different needs including shared hosting, reseller hosting. And in terms of website builder and migration, with Namecheap's user website builder, you can easily create a looking website without any coding skills. And security and backup, ensuring the safety of your website is paramount to Namecheap. They provide SSL installation for free alongside malware protection. And in terms of customer support and dashboard, at Namecheap, you'll find an account panel that makes managing your services hassle-free. On the other hand, the features of Godaddy, in terms of registering and managing domains, Godaddy offers a variety of domain extensions, as well as services such as appraising domain names, acting as domain broker, and setting up domain-based email accounts, and hosting and cloud solutions. Since Godaddy has hosting plans for shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS or virtual private server hosting, and dedicated servers. And in terms of building website and transferring them, with Godaddy's website builder, you can easily create a website without any knowledge of coding. And you can ensure security and backup, since to safeguard your website and data, Godaddy provides SSL certificates for secure connections. And in terms of assistance with customer support and account management, managing your account on GoDaddy is made easy with their user dashboard. Now moving on to pricing comparison, in terms of shared hosting service, Namecheap offer $1.98 per month for the first year and $4.48 per month for renewal, while GoDaddy offers $4.99 per month for the first year and $4.99 per month for renewal. And now in terms of WordPress hosting service, Namecheap offers $0 per month for the first month, while $6.88 per month for the renewal, while GoDaddy offers $4.99 per month for the first year and $9.99 per month for renewal. And now in terms of VPS hosting, Namecheap offers $11.88 per month for the first month and $14.88 per month for renewal, while GoDaddy offers $19.99 per month for the first year and $29.99 per month for renewal. Now moving on to additional services comparison, in terms of domain privacy service, Namecheap offers for free, while GoDaddy offers $9.99 per year for domain privacy. Now in terms of email hosting, Namecheap offers free for 30 mailboxes, while GoDaddy offers $1.99 per month for one mailbox. Now in terms of website builder, Namecheap offers free for one site, while GoDaddy offers free for 1 month, then $9.99 per month. And also in terms of SSL certificate, Namecheap offers free for 1 year, then $8.88 per year, while GoDaddy offers free for 1 year, then $79.99 per year. Now in terms of backup and restore, Namecheap offers $2 per month, while GoDaddy offers $2.99 per month. And also in terms of SEO tools service, Namecheap offers $4.88 per month, while GoDaddy offers $6.99 per month. But the question is, who should choose Namecheap? Well, if you're in a small business in search of affordable domain registration and hosting solutions, while prioritizing privacy protection, straightforward pricing, and responsive customer support, Namecheap might be the perfect choice for you. Since Namecheap stands out with pricing including whois privacy protection when registering domains, making it especially appealing for those on a budget. Moreover, Namecheap maintains pricing, offers reliable customer support through live chat and ticketing systems to ensure peace of mind and assistance whenever needed. If affordability, privacy, and excellent customer service are important to you, then Namecheap is likely the option. But what about GoDaddy? Who should choose GoDaddy? Well, GoDaddy caters to users seeking a range of services along with brand recognition, promotional deals, and integrated hosting and domain management. With a suite of offerings that go beyond domain registration and hosting, such as website building tools, email hosting options, and online marketing solutions. GoDaddy serves individuals and businesses looking for a comprehensive solution for their online presence requirements. The brand's strong reputation coupled with offers make it an attractive choice for those who value brand recognition while also aiming to save costs. So if you appreciate flexibility and reputation of the brand offers and a comprehensive management system, GoDaddy might be the ideal choice for you. Now in conclusion, choosing between Namecheap and GoDaddy boils down to preferences and priorities. Namecheap stands out for its prices, whois privacy protection, transparent pricing, and responsive customer support. It's an option for budget individuals who value privacy and straightforward service. On the other hand, GoDaddy offers a range of services, strong brand recognition, frequent promotional deals, and integrated hosting and domain management. This appeals to those looking for convenience, versatility, and reputable brand. Ultimately, the choice of provider depends on factors like pricing, features offered, customer support quality, and the desired level of integration. By considering this aspect based on their needs and preferences, users can make a decision. So that is just a comparison review between Namecheap and GoDaddy. Thank you.